Netflix login. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can log into Netflix, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to log into Netflix, it is actually quite simple. You can go to netflix.com from your browser if you're using on laptop or PC, or you can head over to your app store and make sure to download the Netflix application. Once you launch a Netflix application, go ahead and then open it up. If you haven't created an account, we also have already made a video on how you can create a Netflix account. So once you're here, it will ask you to log in, so just make sure to tap the login option there, and now you can simply enter your email and password over here. So let me also go ahead and then do that as well. You can make sure to go ahead and then enter your email and password. Once you've done that, if you're not sure what password you've typed in, you can tap the show option here. Otherwise, you can just tap the sign in option that you can find here, and then you will be able to log into Netflix successfully. This way you should be able to log in Netflix. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.